Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list and today we are going to learn about flip function. This function, as you can understand from the name, it just simply flips the image. There are three options. One is the x-axis direction you can flip, or y-axis, or both you can flip the image. Simply you just giving the input image and the destination image, and you are giving the flip code, which is there are three kind of. 0 means is around the x-axis, 1 means around the y-axis, and the negative value, which is -1, is gonna flip around both axes. Okay, let's see the code part and understand clearly. We have already Lena image in here, which we always using this input image, and let's see the output to understand the difference after flipping. For example, this is gonna be output and this is gonna be output window, and let's create a output, also output math, and here we can see the differences with the input, and after that we can directly call our flip function. We are gonna give the input image, which is Lena image in here, and the output image, and after that the flip code. There are three options. The first one is 0 option. It's gonna flip the around x-axis. It's gonna flip your image. For example, x-axis, since here it's just flipped around, so you see still Lena is looking at to the right side. In here also is looking to the right side because it's just flipped from the middle. This is, we can say, similarly to the -180 degree rotation, we can say, but also flipping is doing this kind of. If you also see the one, it's gonna flip around the y-axis, you see this, but with rotation function, which we already see that in the previous video, you cannot get this image. With flip you can get it, and -1 is gonna rotate in both sides. Before, when it's looking down in the first 0 flip code, it's looking to the right side, now it's looking to the left side. So this is around y-axis flipping. This function is very simple, but in some cases it's also very useful. In this video simply we talk about this. See you in the next videos.